This is a burping contest between Keegan and Caro and Fe and Johnny. It smells like butt back here.
That sucks. That was wet.
Nice!
That sucks. Mine was better.
Give me some more, give me some more.
No, it's fine.
Prove it.
That one smell.
Mine are all wet.
That sounded fake.
That was real.
I can't breathe.
Do it again, do it again. Again. Encore.
Open up a window.
Why?
It's too hot.
You're wearing your winter coat in spring, dummy.
It's raining.
Sing a song. Do a song.
I can't.
Oh, McDonald's.
You guys are queers. I'm ending this video. Everybody say bye. Bye.
Bye.
Is everybody done? Or Cara's non-stop. Somebody's gonna end up throwing up, I swear. Did you slobber? What do you do? Boogers come out his nose? Ew. Keegan, that's very nice and...
Está grabando.
Sí, está grabando. Okay, everybody at the same time.
No, it's gone.
Grab a tissue.
No! There's none.
It's on the floor. Over there.
Right, because we could reach.
Ready? One. Okay, ready?
I can't burp because I'm about to fart. Fart, I dare you. No, if I fart, then it's gonna burp at the same time. So it's gonna feel really weird.
Do it.
Do it. Where are we going?
I can't.